Colruyt Group is a Belgian retail company which started in the last century as a supermarket chain. We are active in Belgium, Luxembourg and France, and for the moment we are the biggest Belgian supermarket chain. Sustainability has always been important to Colruyt. We had many projects concerning electricity, wind turbines, solar panels, green hydrogen production, but also water is an important topic in Colruyt. And in 2020 we set a goal that our water consumption in the group in 2025 would be for less than 50% depending on the city mains. We made an overview of all our water consumers and the site Dassenveld is in the top 3. We also looked at other sites in the vicinity and we have some others sufficiently close to be able to connect to this site.
In this project, Waterloo as creative integrator offered a total solution for treating various wastewater streams in one compact installation. And the main focus in this project was high water recovery for maximal water reuse. During the first meetings with Colruyt, it was clear that it was quite a complex question. They asked a flexible installation and also with a high recovery RO.
Colruyt came with a challenge. We got involved through Waterloo, and together with their technical team, we could find the optimal solution for this technical challenge. DuPont Water Solutions is a global water technology company, and DesaliTec is part of that, focusing on the CCRO technology, a high recovery reverse osmosis and a flexible reverse osmosis technology.
So together with DesaliTec, we offered this to Colruyt to make sure we could have the highest recovery possible. After first course filtration, the wastewater flows through a cross-flow MBR. The MBR filtrate is then stored in an intermediate buffer from which processed water can already be extracted for cooling purposes. The rest of the water flows to an active carbon filter and further to the DesaliTec CCRO technology, which turns the water into permeate of drinking water quality.
The essence of the CCRO technology has 3 core pillars. First of all, it is flexible. It can change recovery from 70% to 90%. It goes with a very low cleaning frequency, has less scaling and fouling of membranes. And finally, it creates high recoveries. The differentiation is basically in the way it can adapt. It can adapt to changing water conditions. It can adapt to changing flows, and it changes all the time. The recovery is not the same at every single moment in the day. So independent of which water quality comes, the CCRO will produce drinking water within specifications all the time.
And then after a disinfection step, 75% of the water is reused as processed water in the crate washing facility. The remaining 25% flows after remineralization at 3 different sites out of the tap as drinking water. With the Blue Deal initiative in Flanders, companies are being encouraged to implement water reuse. And in this way, Colruyt, for example, was able to easily change their environmental permit by changing to a discharge based on load instead of concentration. And Colruyt was also able to get VLIO subsidies for implementing the MBR and the RO technology.
It is important for DuPont Water Solutions because it's a needle-moving project. And this is really changing how we look at wastewater. We are taking industrial wastewater, municipal wastewater and rainwater and produce 2 valuable water streams out of that.
We set our goal to be in 2025 for less than 50% dependent on the municipal water. With this installation, we already reached this goal in 2022. The installation is now almost functioning for a year, and the first impressions of the installation is that throughout the seasons it is a constant quality. We are happy with the installation, it meets our needs.